Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Daniel from Dansop Gamers, and today we're delving into a game changer in the smartwatch world. Now, this is the Smart2030 C90 Ultra smartwatch. This is not just any smartwatch. This little beast is practically a smartphone on your wrist. Let's get into it. Now, after using this watch for about a week now, I've broken down this review in about 4 to 5 parts, where we shall look at the design and display, features, performance and battery life, and then my final thoughts. But before we get into the video, I would love to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you who have subscribed to our channel. Thank you so much for showing us the love. And for you who has not yet subscribed, please, down there, help me press that button. Thank you so much. Now let's get back to the video. First things first, let's talk about the design. Now, the C90 Ultra comes with a sleek premium build that feels comfortable and stylish. It adopts the Apple Watch Ultra design formula, featuring the black titanium metal build, which gives it that bold and durable look. It also includes 2 rubber straps for a customizable and secure fit. It has a high-resolution touchscreen, which is vibrant and responsive, making navigation super smooth. Whether you are checking messages, browsing applications, or just looking at the time, everything looks crystal clear. Now, here's where things get interesting. Unlike most smartwatches that rely on Bluetooth, the C90 actually supports a SIM card, meaning you can make calls, you can send texts, and browse the internet without needing your phone nearby. And yes, it has 4G connectivity, so you get the fast speeds just like you would on your regular smartphone. Now, another major plus I've seen with this watch is the fact that it comes with inbuilt Wi-Fi. So if you are in a hotspot, you can actually surf the web and download applications without ever using your mobile data. Speaking about applications, the C90 Ultra runs on an Android-based system, so you get full access to Google Play Store. Yeah, that's right. You can download your favorite applications, whether it is WhatsApp, YouTube, TikTok, or even games. It's like having a mini smartphone right on your wrist. Now, all these features would mean nothing if the watch wasn't powerful enough to handle them, right? Well, the C90 delivers. With a fast processor and ample RAM, switching between applications is seamless. Even playing lightweight games like Temple Run would run smoothly. When it comes to battery life, with a smart power management, you can easily run through a full day on moderate use. So what's the verdict? If you are somebody looking for a smartwatch that does more than just tracking your steps and showing notifications, the Smart2030 Ultra is a fantastic choice. It's got 4G connectivity, a SIM card slot, Wi-Fi, full app access, and well, a sleek design. Basically, it's everything you'd want in a mini wearable smartphone. Would you consider buying the smartwatch? Let me know down in the comment section. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing tech reviews. See you in the next one. Bye.